Hi ladies, welcome to my channel. My name is Heather Anderson of Sew Heather. I hope that you would subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I actually upload 2 new videos every week so that you're not going to miss any of my videos. I hope that you'd hit that little subscribe button down below as well as the bell notification. I would really appreciate that. So today I'm so excited. I'm going to do a Chanel unboxing. I just purchased this beautiful Chanel bag. It was actually a birthday present and a Christmas present combined from my sweet husband. So I'm super excited to show you ladies this gorgeous Chanel bag. Then I'm going to be styling it 5 different ways. So stay tuned to see all of the looks, to see how I style this amazing bag. So a couple things about Chanel bags before I do the unboxing. Why did I pick a Chanel bag? Well, a couple reasons. Number one, they're timeless. They're versatile. They'll never go out of style. They're obviously very high quality, but the main reason is they hold their resale value really well. So if you looked on the RealReal, which is another, probably the absolute best online consignment store on the market. I've bought designer bags on the RealReal. I have sold designer bags on the RealReal. I've bought designer clothing on the RealReal. I will link their website below for you ladies. But if you were to look up Chanel flat bag, which is what this one is, you would see that they're listed about maybe $500 at the most, less than what they are in the store. So they really hold their value well. So when I go to buy a Chanel bag, I typically will buy them new since they do hold their resale value so well, and it's maybe a $500 difference to get a really good mint condition Chanel bag. I think to myself, I'd rather have that Chanel bag brand new and just spend maybe $500 more. But the good thing about it is when I go to resell the bag, I'll be able to make most of my money back. You certainly don't have to resell your Chanel bags because they won't ever go out of style, I promise. I'm going to be passing mine down to my granddaughters. Hopefully I will have a few granddaughters, you never know. But anyway, I would say too, a couple little tips. Always save your dust bags. Always save the box. And always save the receipt and the authenticity card. And the reason is because when you go to resell this Chanel bag, if you ever do, you will be able to resell it for a lot more if you have those items. So you really need to treat your Chanel bag, if you ever do decide to get one, like an investment, because it really is an investment. So that's why I always say get a neutral color that you know you'll carry, be able to wear with tons of looks, because I do say outerwear, or sorry, not outerwear, actually outerwear is one thing, but handbags is definitely something you should invest in. I did a video on the 5 items that every woman should invest in. I'll link that down below for you ladies, but handbags are definitely one of them. The reason is because this is a bag that you will carry a ton. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to do the unboxing. I'm so excited. They wrap them so beautifully. I love this little white flower. I'm going to take the bow off, and here's the beautiful black box. Love this box. I'll certainly be saving it and probably stacking it up in my closet, displaying it on my closet for all to see. So it comes with some beautiful black tissue paper. So I'm going to try to hold it up for you ladies so you can see. Open up the tissue paper. I'm so excited. And they always put it in a beautiful dust bag. I love this white dust bag. It's really soft and I love the little design. So you open it up here. This is, I'm assuming, Coco Chanel herself with her cute little hat on. But here it is, the big reveal. So this is a gray flat bag. It has champagne gold hardware. And that's what I really loved about it, was the hardware, because it's not really silver or gold. It's sort of a champagne. So it's really gonna go with everything. And as you can see, it has a little flap here. It has plenty of room on the inside so that you can easily fit a wallet, you know, your iPhone, your car keys, your lipstick. Really, what else do you need? It has a nice little zipper here. So maybe you could put, you know, anything that you might need in here. And then it also has an outside pocket. So I loved this gray color. I thought it was really beautiful because it goes with everything. I already have a black Chanel boy bag and I have a white one. So really I have the 3 neutral colors now that will go with everything. I love the sheen on this bag. As you can see, it's very subtle, but it is there a little bit. So it's just beautiful. I would say this is a medium gray. It's not really a dark gray and it's not really a light gray. It's sort of a medium gray. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to carry it. I know I'll be carrying it all year round. I'm especially excited to style it with winter whites and ivories and grays for spring and summer, but I can certainly see myself carrying it with an all black ensemble as well. So the 5 looks that I decided to style this gorgeous bag with are all done with like winter white. But I will say there's 2 ways to carry this bag. You can carry it, you can put the strap, sort of double it up and have it like this, and you can carry it on your arm like this. But I think the way I'm gonna mostly be carrying this bag is over the shoulder because I just feel more comfortable that way. This is actually a small, so I'm 5'4". And I just feel like the medium was going to be too big for me. So this is a great size. Again, it's considered the small size. And I think it's a perfect size. And it's a great color. So I'm going to start with the looks. So the first look that I styled this bag with, and the reason I'm showing y'all 5 looks is because I want to just prove to you that how versatile this beautiful gray Chanel bag really is. So look 1 is just the most casual of them all. So like on the weekends, you're running to the grocery store, you're running some errands. This is just a simple white tee. It's my favorite white tee by AG. It's super soft. I've had it for a few years. It hasn't pilled. It still looks brand new. I absolutely love it. So, and then just some simple denim. These are by A Gold E. They're the Nico. I love them. They're comfortable. They're high-waisted. They're very flattering. And then my go-to Golden Goose sneakers, which I wear a ton with everything on the weekends or to run errands in. They're super comfortable. You don't even have to wear them in because literally the first time I bought them and wore them, I wore them all day. My feet never hurt. So I'm really excited that sneakers are actually in style because they're so comfortable. They're very functional and I highly, highly recommend these. Okay, look number 2 with this beautiful gray Chanel flap bag is this wrap denim jacket, which I'm actually wearing right now. I love this jacket. It's got a tie waist, so it's very flattering, and tie waist jackets are a big trend in 2020. This is a great price. I got this jacket at Nordstrom. It is denim. It's more of an ivory color, but I love it styled with the gray bag. I just think that ivory and this beautiful gray shade really complement each other. So this jacket I'm obsessed with. I'll be wearing it all spring and summer long, I know. And then I just paired it back with some gray A Goldie jeans and some beautiful snake print heels. This look is great for, you know, so maybe a dinner date, a girls' night out, you're meeting girlfriends for lunch, something like that. All right, look number 3 is this white Baumann blazer, which I actually got in Italy a couple years ago, but it is available on the RealReal. So Baumann blazers are another item that do hold their value well, but they don't hold their value as well as a Chanel bag. You could probably score a Baumann blazer on the RealReal for 50% off. So I will link the landing page to the RealReal, the Baumann blazers down below for you ladies in my description box. But I love Baumann blazers. You've heard me talk about them before on my channel, possibly. They're the mother of all blazers. They're the epitome of what a blazer should fit like. They're structured, they're flattering, they're high quality. There's really no other blazer on the market that is as amazing as the Baumann blazer. So trust me, if you don't already own one and you're willing to splurge on one, I highly recommend it. It won't ever go out of style. You can wear them to the office. You can wear them on a date night. You can wear them, you know, to a lunch date or something very versatile. So love this white blazer. And then I just picked the same AG white tee that I had on. And then these are the A Gold E Rileys. So I just got these jeans recently. I love the really light wash. I think it's very awesome for spring and summer. I love wearing light wash denim in the spring and summer specifically, but these Riley jeans have a high waist with an ankle length. It's a little bit longer on me since I'm only 5'4", but the fit is amazing. They really hit you really high on the waist, so they're extremely flattering. And again, I'm obsessed with this really light wash, and I think it pairs back beautifully with this gray Chanel flat bag. All right, look number 4 is this Baldwin off-white blouse. So I'm pretty sure this is 50% off now, ladies. This is a beautiful blouse. It's got a little bit of a pattern on it. You can't really see it. It's sort of like a pattern on pattern. It's all ivory, but it's got like some sort of, not really zebra, but just, it's got some texture to it. So I think this blouse looks way more expensive than it really is. I love the V neckline. It actually buttons down below, but it looks really good paired with high-waisted denim. I kept on the same high-waisted Riley jeans that I had on in the previous look, proving their versatility as well. And then just some fabulous Malone Solier heels, silver and gold. These will go really amazing with my new Chanel bag. Again, here is the gray Chanel flat bag that I'm super excited about. But this look would be great too for, you know, a date night, a dressy lunch date with the girls. You could always throw on a faux fur jacket over this blouse if it was cold. So this is a great blouse to wear alone, but you can also layer a jacket over it as well. Okay, look number 5, the final look styling my Chanel gray flap bag is this beautiful fox fur jacket. I've actually had this jacket for a couple years now. I got it on Intermix a few years ago on major sale, but it's actually still available on Forward by Elise Walker. It is a bit expensive because it is real fur, but I will also link a similar version that's a very budget-friendly version from Revolve. It's a beautiful faux fur jacket as well. And then I did a cashmere white or off-white turtleneck from Nordstrom. This cashmere turtleneck is under $100. Can you believe that? A real cashmere turtleneck for under $100 is literally unheard of, but it's like it snowed this morning in Dallas and it's freezing. It's like 30 degrees. So I'm actually going to be wearing this outfit today. We're going to go to the movies and then out to dinner with my husband. So this is actually what I'm going to be wearing today since it's so cold in Dallas. Then I just kept on the same gray jeans that I had on in the previous look. These are the Nico by A Gold E. Super comfortable. They have a bit of stretch to them. I love this gray denim wash. I think it is great for spring and summer, and I think it looks really beautiful with my new gray Chanel bag. And then these are some suede boots by Stuart Weitzman. They're actually a year old. I got them on sale last year, but I'm going to try to find some similar ivory suede boots for you ladies, because I think I just really am into this winter white and all these ivory and grays right now. I just think it's a really fresh and modern way to look very chic and amazing in the winter time. Honestly, all year round you can wear white. I think there's nothing more classy, nothing more chic than an all white ensemble or all white colors in, you know, all year round. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Again, to give you one last look at this gorgeous gray Chanel bag. So I'm just so in love with this bag. You'll see me wearing it and styling it tons more ways, so stay tuned for that. But for more style information, you can head over to my blog, soheather.com. And on Instagram, I'm soheatherblog. So let me know if you have any questions down below. I'd love to hear from you ladies. And thank you so much for stopping by today. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. And until next time, I will see you soon. Bye-bye.